Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I said please subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you to notify whenever we upload new video. Trust me, this is the place you can only get good update about your skin. And don't forget that we ship everywhere. Yes, we ship to US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, just name it. Even Africa within, we ship everywhere. And trust me, just within few days, they be to your doorstep. And one more thing, I just want to make you understand that in here we also train people. We train people to the fullest, from the scratch to the high level advanced class, so that you can know what you mixing, not we're not just in here just to create content. That is what I want to let you know also. So don't forget, you can meet us at Instagram, Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare, also on Facebook and TikTok. We did there, they wait for now. And a quick one, I just want to introduce to you on a project that I've been working on, that I am back on a journey because of this project. I also put a lot of effort in to make sure I've been to the company direct to let them know that this is what I wanted, this is what I want to give to my client, and that is why I'm really want to I'm excited to show you this. They call it Blend Pro 9. So if you've not heard about Blend Pro 9, it's because it's my brand. All right. Blend Pro 9 is my brand. Nobody get time, because we don't come up with all these things because the customer, because you don't want to buy from me, and you go ask your customer, do you have Blend Pro 9? He goes say, yes, I get Blend Pro 9. He will give you something when he no be, he no day, he no follow. Are you getting me? Blend Pro 9 is a non-acidic lotion, non-acidic cream that you can use to mix any kind of your cream. Blend Pro 9 is a non-acidic, lotion that you can use to mix any of your lotion that you've gotten already, whether face lotion or whether body lotion or hand lotion or feet lotion, or just this is it, Blend Pro 9. And trust me, this Blend Pro 9, trust me, when I say 7 days, it's 7 days. I don't say things anyhow, because I think in this skincare industry, it's not I didn't come in here because I'm hungry or I want to create content. I have other channels where I put content on for comedies and all that. But we're in here to help people. Alright? So Blend Pro 9, if you use it to mix your lotion, let's assume your lotion is 0 as, low as, ABC. Very low. There's no whitening agent there. Just add the Blend Pro. Yes. Add Blend Pro add like this 50 ml to your Blend Pro. Trust me, you go white. You go white. This is owned by me, customized from Thailand, owned by me. Owned by me. No be play, no be story. You can see me on a flight, like I went there and I came back just for this. Alright? So Blend Pro 9. Blend Pro 9 is a long time project I've been working on. Alright? It's a long time project I've been working on. In fact, I started working on the project to get this Blend Pro 9 when I never would turn up. Alright? So these are some of the things that I use to do my lotion. So if you want to get this Blend Pro 9, why not put the call through via the number on your screen? For those of you who promise, yes, Blend Pro 9, we've come with this. It's original. Yes, no white patches. No, and funny enough, if you want to use this Blend Pro 9 alone, you can use it. if you want to use this blend, it's a non-acidic lotion. It's a non-acidic. So that used to say there is no atom of acid here. Test it with whatever you want to test it with. There's no acid here. Now we tell you, like, are you getting it? So Blend Pro 9 is what you can use to do your feet, or to do your body lotion, or your face lotion, or your hand lotion. This is it. So contact me if you need this. If you need this, just contact me. Other than that, if you know that you can't use lotion alone, or you want to use oil and you want us to give you Blend Pro 9 oil, also we have it. Blend Pro 9 oil, we have it. But first of all, we're only releasing this first into the market. So whoever you ask and he said, oh, I have that, I have this, they don't have it. I own it. It has been trademarked already. Blend Pro 9. Are you getting it? Blend Pro 9. So bye bye.